Linking your bank account to Trip.com is a straightforward process that allows you to manage your bookings and payments efficiently. Follow these steps to connect your bank account. Step 1. Create or log into your Trip.com account. Visit the Trip.com website or open the app. If you already have an account, log in using your credentials. If not, create a new account by following the registration prompts. Step 2. Navigate to Payment Settings. Once logged in, go to your account settings. Look for the Payment Settings or Payment Method section, which is typically found in the account menu. Step 3. Select Add Bank Account. In the Payment Settings, find the option to add a new payment method. Choose Add Bank Account or a similar option to begin the linking process. Step 4. Enter bank account details. Fill in the required information for your bank account, including the account number, routing number, and any other requested details. Ensure that all information is accurate to avoid issues. Step 5. Confirm and save. After entering your bank account details, review the information for accuracy. Once confirmed, click on the Save or Link Account button to complete the process. You may receive a confirmation message once the linking is successful. By following these steps, you can easily link your bank account to Trip.com, making your travel bookings more convenient. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Trip.com customer support for assistance.